Hey guys, Colleen Balderson here with the English Law Group, and today I want to talk to you about something that really hits home to me and to a lot of my friends, and that is being part of the sandwich generation. So you might be dropping kids off to school, trying to navigate some middle school terminology, going to high school football games, and then at the same time, you are, in the afternoon, maybe touring a memory care unit for your mom or trying to help your dad balance his checkbook. There's a lot of things and different ways that we are tugged and pulled, and there are a few things that can help alleviate some of that burden. It's, having your paperwork together for yourself, making sure that your kids are protected if something happens to you, that if you have named a guardian, if they are minors, or you have put some sort of a trust together where they will be able to access money through a trusted person who you have named to care for that money for them. On the flip side, for your parents or your great Aunt Sally or something, that's going to be getting power of attorneys in place, making sure that they have updated their beneficiary on different policies, making sure that you can sign a check for them if something were to happen. All of that kind of stuff is real, and it can happen all at the same time. It is extremely overwhelming when you are dropping someone off at soccer and at the same time getting a phone call hearing that maybe your parent fell. So we can help you get all of that in order. So not everything, we can't take away all of it, but it can really help you help the people that you love and make sure everything is in place if something bad happens. Give us a call. We'd love to help you out.